Good day. Welcome to Money Minutes News. Tonight, 3 U.S. money updates you can feel in real life. Taxes, Social Security, and student loans. Here's what's changing. This isn't just headlines. This can hit your monthly budget. I'll explain what changed, what it means, and what to check this week. We start with taxes because withholding taxes get expensive. Watch for one key word tonight, deductions. And we'll keep it fast, clear steps, no fluff. Here are the money headlines.
The IRS released 2026 inflation adjustments for dozens of tax provisions. For 2026, the standard deduction is $16,100 single, $32,200 joint, $24,150 head of household. If you don't itemize, a higher standard deduction can lower the income that gets taxed. Top federal rate stays 37%, starting above $640,600 single or $768,700 joint. Also, the max earned income tax credit for 3+ kids rises to $8,231. Your paycheck impact depends on W-4 settings, so check withholding now, not in April. Under withhold and you could owe later, plus possible penalties if it's far off. Over withhold and you're giving up monthly cash flow you could use for bills or debt. Early tweaks are easiest, because each paycheck compounds the mistake over the year. Big life change, new job, raise, marriage, move, recheck withholding right away. Even $20 extra per paycheck is about $520 a year if you're paid bi-weekly. Money move, confirm your 2026 withholding matches your current life, not last year. Use the IRS withholding estimator, then update your W-4 if the numbers look off. Social Security benefits rise 2.8% in 2026 for nearly 71 million beneficiaries. SSA estimates the average retired worker check goes from $2,015 to $2,071, about $56 more. For an aged couple both receiving benefits, the average moves from $3,120 to $3,208. SSI recipients also get the 2.8% boost. Payments began December 31, 2025 for many. But watch your net. Medicare Part B standard premium is $202.90 in 2026. And the Part B deductible is $283, so healthcare costs can eat into the COLA. So check your deposit amount and adjust your monthly budget, don't rely on headlines. For workers, the Social Security wage cap rises to $184,500, which can raise withholding for higher earners. That's a max employee's Social Security tax of $11,439 for 2026 wages. If you're working while taking benefits, earnings limits are $24,480 under FRA, $65,160 in the year you reach FRA. Also, one Social Security credit in 2026 takes $1,890 in earnings, max 4 credits at $7,560. Now to the messiest topic right now, student loans, especially Safe Plan changes. If you have loans, treat emails as alerts, then verify details inside your servicer account. Student loan repayment rules are shifting, and transitions are where people get burned. SAVE affects about 7.43 million borrowers, and the timeline to move plans has created confusion. Delinquencies returned fast. New York Fed research showed student loan delinquency jumping to nearly 8%. Step 1, log in, don't guess. Your account page is the source of truth. Confirm your repayment plan name and your required payment. Screenshots and rumors go stale. Step 2, download your latest statement, due date, payment amount, and servicer info. Step 3, check autopay, confirm it's enabled and pulling from the right bank account. If you're in default, collections restarted. ED resumed collections May 5, 2025, and wage garnishment notices began rolling out. More than 5 million borrowers were reported in default, and garnishment can take up to 15% of pay. 3 checks, confirm plan, download statement, and keep a budget buffer for payment changes. Even a small buffer, like 1 extra payment amount, can prevent a late fee spiral. Treat it like insurance, boring, small, and incredibly helpful when numbers shift. Also, 2026 is a tax gotcha. Federal tax-free treatment for many discharges ended after January 1, 2026. So if forgiveness hits in 2026, plan for possible taxes unless your program is exempt.
Social Security payments rise, check your net deposit. Student loans, transitions, confirm your plan, and download your statement. Want a budget reset next? Comment W-2, retired, or student loans.
Subscribe and click bell icon for weekly U.S. money updates. This is Money Minutes News.